Gemma 3 versus Llama 4. Choosing the best open source AI model can transform how you build intelligent applications without compromising on flexibility or performance. Both offer unique advantages in OpenAI development. Gemma 3 and Llama 4 are leading open source AI models designed for advanced natural language processing. The core difference lies in their architecture and optimization focus. Gemma 3 emphasizes efficiency and scalability, while Llama 4 focuses on deeper contextual understanding and versatility. Gemma 3 is an advanced open-source AI model developed by DeepMind, known for its efficient architecture that balances speed and accuracy. It works by leveraging transformer-based neural networks optimized for scalability across various hardware setups. Gemma 3 excels in delivering fast inference times, making it ideal for applications requiring real-time responses. Its strengths include robust performance in language understanding and generation, with a streamlined model size that reduces computational costs. However, Gemma 3 may have limitations in handling highly complex or nuanced contexts compared to some larger models. It is best suited for developers and organizations seeking a balance between resource efficiency and strong language capabilities, especially when deploying AI at scale in production environments. Overall, Gemma 3 provides a reliable and cost-effective solution for many open-source AI use cases. Llama 4, released by Llama, is a next-generation open-source AI model designed to push the boundaries of contextual understanding and adaptability. It operates on enhanced transformer architecture that allows for deeper comprehension of language nuances and complex instructions. Llama 4's strengths lie in its ability to generate more coherent and contextually rich responses, making it well suited for creative content generation and sophisticated conversational agents. The model supports a wide range of applications, from chatbots to content creation tools, with impressive versatility. On the downside, Llama 4 typically requires more computational resources and may have slower inference speeds compared to lighter models like Gemma 3. This makes it less ideal for real-time or resource-constrained environments. Llama 4 is ideal for developers and researchers who prioritize depth and quality of output over raw speed, especially when working on projects where nuanced understanding is critical. Its open-source nature encourages customization and fine-tuning to specific tasks, enhancing its appeal for specialized AI solutions. Comparing Gemma 3 and Llama 4 highlights a trade-off between efficiency and depth. Gemma 3 offers faster performance and lower resource demands, making it perfect for scalable applications needing quick responses such as customer support bots or embedded AI features. In contrast, Llama 4 delivers richer, more context-aware outputs, excelling in creative writing, detailed dialogue systems, or research tasks where understanding subtleties matters. While Gemma 3 is easier to deploy on limited hardware, Llama 4's resource intensity could be a barrier for smaller setups. Both models are open source, allowing customization, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize speed and efficiency or nuanced language understanding. For projects with tight performance constraints, Gemma 3 shines. For those valuing depth and flexibility in language tasks, Llama 4 stands out. Choose Gemma 3 if you need a fast, efficient AI model that balances performance and resource use, perfect for real-time and scalable applications. Opt for Llama 4 when your projects demand advanced language understanding and richer context, ideal for creative or research-intensive tasks. Both models excel in their domains, so selecting the right one depends on your specific AI needs and infrastructure capabilities.